Good morning, everyone. It's Robin from the Quilted Nest in Collingswood, New Jersey. And this morning we are going to unbox the new Brother PrintModa fabric printer. This is a direct to fabric printing system. Very exciting. We just got our delivery late last week, so we're going to unbox this puppy together. Okay. I did go ahead and cut the tape before the show. All right, so right out of the box, we have a good bit here. We have our ink cartridges, black, magenta, yellow, and blue, which they call cyan. Power cord. Styrofoam out. We have our trial roll of fabric. The fabric that comes with this is 100% cotton. The normal roll size is 5.4 yards per roll. And you can tell that this has not been edited as I fight this. The test roll that comes in the box with the printer is, I believe, 2.4 yards. So it's a getting started roll. Okay. We remove this. We have next taped in the quick reference guide, which we're hoping means how to get this baby set up. So we have the reference guide, and assorted other paperwork, limited warranty, all that kind of paperwork that normally comes in. We also have the PrintModa Studio project and idea book, and okay, so that's a good getting started. And you'll notice, which you won't because I have to turn the camera around, I currently have my Luminaire downloading the latest update. So my Luminaire 2, the floor model, has been turned into a Luminaire 3, but we need the latest update so that we can link Artspira directly to the machine and the PrintModa directly to Artspira. So you need that update in there. My latest update was 4.01. I believe the most current update, now this is not to be confused with the upgrade, is 4.51 possibly. I guess we'll know more when it finishes downloading the update. Okay. Now we have the machine. This should be interesting because it is a very large piece of equipment that doesn't have any easy grip handle. And here we go. Here's the machine itself. Very pretty because we like pretty. Move the camera back. We have power cord is attached. And this is pretty much everything that's in the box. It's quite a large box. The next video I post will be how to get the machine set up. We will install the ink cartridges. We will get set up with Artspira. We'll get the paper loaded. Now, an interesting point with the PrintModa machine is the fact that not only does it print onto this cotton fabric, it will also print onto paper. So this can be your primary printer. So if you don't have a printer or you need to replace your printer anyway, this will also print to paper. There is some special bit of magic in here that cures the ink to the fabric, which makes it a little bit different than just sending sheets, 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper through. Not only that, it has a built-in cutter so that if you're just printing something, it's coming out 11.5 inches wide, as opposed to your regular printer, which is coming out 8.5 by 11 long. So if you only have a 6-inch wide photo transfer or something that you've created in the Art Spirit app, you can cut it at that 6-inch mark. You don't have to waste that excess fabric on that you won't be using anyway. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.